Hello everyone. So I got the mail. I'm gonna show you an Idooodle made for Plushie. And today, this is a character named Dapper Oshare from Puyo Puyo. This media game played with the Puyo 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 Fever 2, and Puyo Puyo 15th anniversary. Alright, let's see it unpackaged from opened. And let's find out. Shall we begin, everybody? Let's open. This is really plastic for bags. Anyway, let's open plastic again. Alright, I got bags. Let's see what happened. I wonder what is it habit is? No way! I knew it! Guys, I really knew it. Really want it. I got the Dapper of Plushies. This looks like an amazing plushie characters. Puyo Puyo. Look, I the made of this character. Well, this is it. Thanks for watching and make it for subscribe and channel.